So recently one of my girlfriends reached out to me and she's like, Kayla, I get it, but I'm just not a salesperson. I'm not a salesperson. Like, that's not what I do. And I don't know how to figure that out. Like, I understand that you're saying that you can make more money, but I'm just not a salesperson. Okay. First of all, everything is a sale. Everything around you, like everything in this room has been sold by someone. Okay. And not only that, you sell yourself all day long. When you meet somebody for the first time, you're selling yourself. Okay. Now, secondly, in regards to sales is a skill. Okay. People don't just wake up and they're like the best salesperson ever. Like, that doesn't just happen. You have to learn the skills, right? You have to learn how to bring value to the marketplace. And only in order to develop this skill, you're going to have to do the work. I didn't just wake up one day and start selling a bunch of stuff and making a bunch of money. No. It took me, 3 or 4 years of intense study. I used to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning just so I can read books because, I have, my daughter to take care of and I have work and have to get her to school. And then when I would come home at work at night, I would stay up till almost like midnight, sometimes 1 o'clock in the morning, taking more sales classes online. I did the work. I had to learn. I had to, learn what to say when somebody says something. Guys, if you want to be an excellent salesperson, you're going to have to put in some work, but I promise you it'll be worth it, right? Like, if you want more money, you're going to want to learn how to sell. If you want to be better with your kids, you need to learn how to sell. If you need to be better with your spouse or your significant other, learn how to sell. Ladies, if you want to go to dinner somewhere and they want to go to dinner somewhere else, you need to figure out, how to sell why your place is better and do it in a way where you're not fighting, be a little bit smooth about it. Sales is a necessary skill. Everyone should have it. I don't care what type of, occupation you're in. You need to learn how to do it. In order to get that skill, you're going to have to do the work. So stop telling yourself you're not a salesperson. You totally are. Just how good of a salesperson are you, and are you willing to figure it out? If you want help on skills, if you want help on sales, if you want help, just talking to your kids or, talking to your man, drop a comment below and be like, help me, with some emojis that are crazy, and let's talk, because I'm happy to help or give you a couple tips here and there. Other than that, start studying, start figuring out what to do. And if you need help, let me know. I'm ready to look at those emojis. Drop the help me below.